In this video, I will show you how to link Setmore to Instagram. So to do this, just open up Instagram on your phone and go to your profile. Now you can only do it on your phone, so therefore you do really need to do it on phone. But then here click Edit Profile. And you will need to have a business account. If you have not yet set up your account as a business, click on the three lines in the top right. From here, just scroll down until you see something that says Account Types. And from there it will say switch to professional account, and then later you want to select business. But basically once you have done that, just go to edit profile, then scroll down and just click on contact options. And then here you will see all of the contact options. You just want to click add an action button. And then here you can choose a partner. So just scroll down. So it's on alphabetical order. So go to the S where it says Setmore right here. And then it's going to redirect you to Setmore. From here, just sign into your Setmore account. And basically, once you then sign in, you can then add a book now button to your Instagram, and then it will be connected. So now you know how to link Setmore to Instagram. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.